This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. This bright and spacious condo offers an almost completely maintenance-free lifestyle and one of the largest floor plan offered in Woodbridge in Eagle Harbor. Open the door and walk into two-story style living, complete with high ceilings and an open floor plan that offers a flexible variety of living spaces. There is a spacious kitchen with lots of counter space great for entertaining and lots of cabinets for storage. With wide hallways, cathedral ceilings, and plentiful natural light, this home is filled with warmth and a vibrant energy. There is ample parking between the two-car attached garage, driveway and street parking spaces. The screened-in porch overlooks your private fenced backyard and yet another area to be enjoyed by all members of your household. With a new microwave, new HVAC being installed and fresh paint, your new home awaits. Enjoy the resort-like amenities of Eagle Harbor and mini golf, big pool, water park, playground, volleyball.